Avina, very warm welcome to you. Good to see you in Mumbai after all this.
Yes.
And you've been clicking a lot of snaps. How does it feel that you remember of your young days where obviously you're still young, but undoubtedly, but do you remember of something that, before that they used to click, 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 and they used to say, okay, pose like this, pose like that. How was it, the entire experience?
Well, today's been a really fun, enjoyable experience. We've done 18 sari changes, and बहुत मज़ा आता है क्योंकि I think every girl likes to doll up, and I think being a part of Jo Rivaj has given me the opportunity to go through it all over again, and wear some very pretty saris and feel very very traditional yet young. So that's a really nice combination to have. And I find the saris to be very comfortable, and although I've shot in it the whole day, I've been rather very comfortable in them. And there's Avinash Govareka who shot the pictures for us today. And whenever I have shot with Avinash, he's absolute pleasure. He's extremely quick, and the quality is amazing. And I think when I'll see that, whatever pictures I've seen till now, whatever he clicked, has come out really well. After a while, I stopped watching, what's being collected in the laptop, because I just know it's going to be really good, because it's Avinash who's clicking us. So Vinod sir is here today, and it's an absolute honor and pleasure to be here. And I'm looking forward to more shoots like this, and interacting with many more people on Jo Rivaj.
Alright, along with this, this is going to be quite entertaining. I don't deny the fact absolutely on that. But there's something like that's entertainment or it's entertainment. There's a movie which is coming up. What do you think are the three things that make up for the entertainment? What is it like? What are the three things that make up a really entertainment kind of a thing?
Well, I'm sorry, your question's extremely general. I wish I could have answered that. But I am a part of movies. I'm an actor. It's a part of my job to entertain people. And I do that on screen, and I absolutely enjoy it. It's been my passion since I can remember, and I'm doing it every day, and it's nothing but absolute bliss to be a part of being able to entertain people.
बिलीव करती हैं आप रिवाज में, जो हमारी भारतीय कल्चर है, सभ्यता, जो रिवाज है और जो ट्रेंड एक चल रहा है, आप बिलीव करती हैं इन सारी चीज़ों में?
रीति रिवाज रहे हैं हमारे कल्चर में, बहुत सदियों से चले आ रहे हैं, अभी भी चलते चले जा रहे हैं. So it's great. I do believe in them, and the brand is called Jo Rivaj, so it's somewhat it's very much connected, and but it's more about how the young generation has to connect with it, because it's important for us to take it forward and continue it in our lives. So I guess tradition is something that we have to grow up with and carry it forward.
और साथ ही इंटरटेनमेंट कर रही हैं आप अक्षय कुमार के साथ
Yes.
में. मैंने सुना है कि कुछ शूटिंग जो है बैंकॉक में जो है कुछ थोड़ी बहुत
हमने काफ़ी सारी शूटिंग बैंकॉक में की है फॉर इट्स एंटरटेनमेंट. बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से चल रहा है शूटिंग, एंड अभी तक हम शूटिंग कर रहे हैं. It's been an absolute amazing experience working with Akshay, and I'm also working with Sajid Khan again on Hum Shakals with Saif. Both the films have been absolute fun, so I'm really enjoying working on both of them.
कुछ नर्वसनेस होती है अक्षय कुमार के साथ में काम करने के लिए? आप और वो हैं तो लीड में आप हैं, तो वो अक्सर ऐसा माना जाता है कि वो एक्शन हीरो और कॉमेडी के बाप माने जाते हैं, तो
Absolutely.
उनके साथ में कुछ
It's an absolute pleasure to watch him perform. कभी कभी मैं मॉनिटर के पीछे बैठ के अक्षय को देखती हूँ और दंग रह जाती हूँ, क्योंकि वो इतने बखूबी से हर शॉट देते हैं. So it's really inspiring to sit back and watch. It's a visual delight to watch.
Have you ever learned any stunt from him? I mean, obviously you look behind the scenes, but any stunt that he has taught you?
Well, we were shooting for the film, so there was a little bit a very small thing I had to do, and he was around and he really helped and guided. It was very kind of him, and he's somebody who's, I think, whenever he's ever given any kind of input into a scene, I think it's always for the better of the scene. So Akshay is somebody I've learned a lot from, and it's a day-to-day learning experience working with him.
Alright, since Diwali is around the corner, the festival of celebration as we clearly call it in Mumbai, how are you planning to celebrate Diwali this time, and what are your plans?
I'm going to be shooting this Diwali, but that's amazing for me because I really enjoy my work, and this should be a happy working Diwali for me. And but yes, definitely there'll be puja, there'll be festivity around me wherever I go because it's Diwali. and I will enjoy that. I will enjoy myself, and I'll have family around me. They normally would join me, and I'd be very happy to have family around and be working at the same time.
All right.